Hi, my name is Aminbo. Today I will share with you Kumamoto Castle and how to make small earrings. This castle was built 400 years ago by Kato kiyomasa. He is a very strong military commander. He is still respected for fighting the day. And this castle is known as a very strong castle. There was an earthquake with a seismic intensity of 7 in Kumamoto. However, the castle didn't collapse. But unfortunately, it had some damages seen in this picture. But worry less because that part is totally renovated and back to its beautiful view. Another interesting fact about the repairs done is that the number of bricks or stones placed on that part of the temple which got broken had the same quality as the original one. As you enter the castle grounds, you can see a big welcome souvenir shops. If you are also a sweet tooth lover, you should also try the special soft cream sold in area. Inside the soft cream is a very delicious sweet mochi or soft mashed rice inside. It's worthwhile walking to the castle because you can enjoy beautiful scenery around. Also, it's very nice to visit Kumamoto Castle during the springtime because there are lots of blooming and fragrant cherry blossom trees. Now we arrive at the top and I will greet the shrine. This is normal in Japanese culture, and if we visit the shrine, we greet and offer a short prayer. And today I will make armor image earrings. Armor is piece of metal clothing that protect warriors from enemy shot and about weapon way back in history. I made it on the bench in this park. When you come to Kumamoto Castle, please spend a relaxed time with your friends. Okay, we have now reached the starting point to the castle. We need to walk for about 20 minutes to reach the peak of the castle. Please enjoy Kumamoto Castle when you come to Kumamoto Prefecture. Thank you for watching.